morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that we've all been waiting for. At least I've been waiting for, and I'm guessing some of you guys have been waiting for as well. Today is the tune day for the Evo 8 we have been working on the last few days. Let's go to the gas station. We're already full on pump gas. Just got to grab some E85 in the cans, and then we're gonna head out, get this thing strapped on the dyno, and see what she can do. I'm very, very excited. Hopefully she performs well. You ready for the most power you've ever seen, pal?
I'm ready. You ready?
Wow, good start, Bader. What's going on here?
Normal Devin and wastegate lines, that's what's going on
Hey,
here.
they're hooked up. You just looked.
Well, I don't know if they're hooked up right. I let out because we were going to straight to the moon. Right where you wanted us to go.
Well, we made it to Josh's. Josh is tuning this car today.
The joy.
Yes.
Oh, the joy.
And he's already making some sauce on pump gas on the first pull at 2,000 RPM, made 515.
Not a bad start.
Not bad.
There's something going on. There's a little sauce.
We're gonna figure out what's going on because
Wastegate hooked up the fucking wastegate lines wrong.
hey, you plumbed this wastegate if I remember correctly. I just hooked.
Sure did.
Yeah.
It's been a while. This thing's been apart like 10 times.
I know.
What we got going on here? Because something's not right.
We got the master at work. What's up, Josh?
Working away, learning.
Yes. First 8 or 9 he's ever done, right?
First one, just for you, baby.
Ooh.
To the moon.
You've done 110 and now 18.
Now, I definitely got to give a shout out to Ronnie because obviously he has always been my mentor, my helper to get us where we are. He was nice enough to put a base map on this car a while back. That is what I'm starting off of. It made 400 Mustang on 16 pounds. Now we're just kind of cleaning that up. Like I said, it was a base map, so this is the first pull as the car's done. So now I'm adding some fuel up top. It's a little bit lean, and then we'll start adding boost and go from there. So hopefully everything goes as planned today. Add this.
What is that, your VE table? Very basic VE table?
This is my very basic VE table. You know, I'm a little bit spoiled with the Subaru stuff compared to this, because damn, this is a lot different here. So obviously you want this to be as smooth as possible. I'm just adding some fuel up top, trying to make it smooth, and we'll flash this and see if we don't have a lean issue no more.
we're stopping at 500 wheel on pump gas. Keep in mind this is the Mustang dyno, so 500 wheels, a fair amount of power.
You guys can see the graph. 510, 390 torque, 30 pounds. That's a pretty good spot to stop on pump.
Yeah.
So we'll stop there. Now on to the fun stuff.
Yes.
We're only at 45% wastegate duty, so
we can party.
that means we can party.
We're gonna go to like 50 pounds tonight, aren't we?
As far as you want to go. I'll go as far as you want. Full send.
Is that the good?
I hope that's premium.
87 octane going in.
Yes.
We'll see if it
Dual
even
map.
starts.
Whoa!
Almost. Damn.
Did you change maps?
I think I did. I only got to check engine light in here.
Gator's really enjoying the dual map setup over here. What's going on, Josh?
Well, when I'm back in 2000s technology, apparently, when you flash these piles, it doesn't magically go back into the E85 map. It goes into pump, so you have to physically hold the gas pedal down and switch back to E85. So that was a fun hour of learning.
But now we know.
Now I know. Now I'll never do it again.
Now we're gonna hit 40 pounds and make minimum of 740 on the Mustang, because Remy made 739.
Hey, first pull, pull, 575, 464 torque, 27, 28 pounds, and it was dead rich. So, let's say we're off to a good start. Now we're getting somewhere.
That's 680 easily.
673, baby. You're close.
That was close.
You were close. We're going to the moon up there, you see?
How much boost is
There,
that?
I'll put it 800 in help for you. I don't know how much boost that was. That was, see, because it took it away from me. That's how much. It came in, like I thought, like 37. Fell down. We're gonna have to add more wastegate duty up top.
We gotta step outside for the first 700 wheel pull. It's about to be spicy. Are you ready for a 700 wheel on the Mustang?
Yep.
This bull's gonna hit it. I heard we're almost out of fuel.
Nah, we still Gucci. We're still in the 90s, baby.
We're good.
Yeah, we're still good.
That was fast.
That was.
All right, this should be the last pull of the night. This is gonna be about 45 pounds. And on 40 pounds, it made 707. So we're hoping for around 740.
All right, now, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm giving it all, per usual. The moon tune, baby. We going to the moon.
How is this trans still in this thing?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
As soon as it hits the street, it's leaving the chat.
Is it gonna hit 45 pounds right now for me? We about to find out. All right.
A little bit of rummy.
Ready? Go. Did it hit it? I don't know. I was watching air fuel. 709.
Damn, we got a ways to go.
We're maxed.
What?
That's it, dog.
That's all she got?
The Zevo, she ain't ever catching my Forester.
we're putting this on camera because Bo's giving me permission.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna try not to break it. I'm not gonna flat foot it.
Yeah. No,
But
no flat foot.
if it
Not
just-
gonna fuck it. Y'all just gonna drop that bitch in a second or something?
It's just gonna be a straight pull. You wanna drive?
Are you ready to die? We're gonna die.
All right, you're driving.
No,
bitch.
I'm not driving.
Said no flat foots.
All right, that's fine. This ain't spools like it's a. One day I'll get the launch control stuff down. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to hold this thing straight.
Let me know when you want it.
I mean, I always want it, but I'm a little questionable on this one. This one, it was spinning third gear. Dyno. All right, boys, send it. Oh my God!
That's pretty fucking fast.
Holy! I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Go for it.
Bro, this thing holds dick.
Yeah!
Damn, Josh. Look at you.
Damn, this thing fucking rips.
This thing holds on. You wanna drive?
Nah. My luck, I'm gonna get in that seat and it's gonna break.
That's how you drive. Holy shit! I was trying not to break it. You're
I
trying.
baby shifted this shit.
Bro!
And they say 6 speeds don't shift.
This thing holds
Oh my God.
ass.
I might have to get me one of these.
You like this, huh?
I do like this. This is the best Evo experience I've ever had.
100%.
That shit fucking rips.
This thing holds ass. That was a little more rowdy than I was trying to be, but I like
I'm
that.
only doing one. We're good.
That was good. It sounds so good too.
It sounds so clean. That was for the boys.
That was for the boys. That would have been a very good outside shot.
100%.